Today we're going to be doing some Sue Coccia inspired animal outlines. Now here's one of Sue Coccia's artworks right here. And you can see she has a coyote, and inside the body of the coyote are lots of different animals and plants, insects and things, footprints, feathers of animals that share the same habitat as this coyote. We're going to do something similar. Now, you're going to choose an animal that you'd like to do, and at your table there are several picture references for different kinds of animals. All different kinds. You can choose one that you'd like to do and use it to look at the shapes and things as you draw. And when you choose your animal, that's going to help you know which kind of page mode to do. All right, so this one is printed on landscape mode, but it's actually pretty tall and narrow. So I'm actually going to use this as my reference, and I'm going to do portrait mode here like this. But maybe you want to do a different animal that's wide and short, like this moose. In that case, you would do a landscape mode. Okay. Before I get started, I'm going to put my name, my teacher, and my table number on my paper here. I'll pretend that I'm in Miss Draney's class and that I sit at table number 4. That's going to be my back. I'll turn this over so I have a fresh, clean page to start with. Now I'm going to look at this coyote here, and I'm going to look at the relationship between these lines and how far apart they are and where are they. And I'm going to draw this out using my pencil very lightly. I know I'm going to make mistakes as I go, and that's okay. You might also make mistakes, that's okay. If something doesn't look right to me, then I can go ahead and just erase it or draw over it. And I'll go through it and I'll just darken this a little bit so the camera picks it up a little better. Now, as I'm doing these shapes, I'm thinking about what kind of patterns and other animals I want to put in this coyote. And I'm looking at Sue Coccia's example right here at some of the animals that she has in hers. Okay, so that's a little bit darker for you. You can see now. I've got the tail right here. I can think about maybe I want to put some hoof prints in on that tail. Here's some deer prints. Or maybe I'll do these hair prints because I know coyotes like to hunt hare or rabbits. I'm going to put them in so that as they go, they kind of get smaller. There, they're kind of going off the side there. And around these, maybe I want to outline them so that the eye knows that they're very important. So I can put lines around like this to show that these aren't just random lines and things on there. And I can repeat that line lots of times to create a pattern. And so I'll do that all over my coyote. Maybe, ooh, I like that this is a leaf right there. Maybe I'll put a feather in mine. And once I have these things in, then I'll take my black marker and I'll outline all of these pencil lines. I'll trace them, sorry, not outline, I'll trace the pencil lines with the black marker. And remember, we're only getting about this far today. We're not going to be doing color yet. We'll save that for another day.